Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd. Today we're talking about Loom. Now, Loom is one of my favorite gosh dang tools. I wouldn't necessarily call it like some crazy no-code tool, but it's one of the most useful things on the internet that I've seen. I recommend it to just about everybody. Basically, check this out. As you can kind of see, this little demo right here, this gal is filming herself like scrolling through a website and like doing a little product demo, right? If you need to send a video of you doing something, screen sharing and explaining something, an explainer video, Loom is just, it's amazing. It makes it so unbelievably easy. Basically, it pops up a little video thing right down here, right over on the left side of your computer, kind of like how I'm doing this little explainer video right now. It just lets you film it really quickly. Then it's on a link. All you have to do is send the link to somebody. If you need to get, like I hire a ton of freelancers using this tool. I make a bunch of videos using this tool that you can post on social media. It's great for LinkedIn videos. It's like, I love it. It's just such a simple little solution for sharing information and getting real stuff across. And wow, they even have a drawing tool, which is awesome. So yeah, that's my shtick. If you want to share information really, really quickly and really get across a certain point to make sure that people understand what you're saying and just film the video like instantly, for asynchronous communication and asynchronous explanation, it's just the most beautiful thing on the internet. So awesome. Loom is really cool. Go check it out. Make some cool videos. Send me a Loom video. I would love to see it. Post it in the comments. I would love to see you experimenting with it. So awesome. I'll heckin' see you later. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions on what you can use Loom to do. I'll see you in the next episode.